Hey everyone, it's Ella here, and this is your bar workout with the looped resistance band. So let's take that loop resistance band and place it around our shins. So again, it's gonna lay flat against the shins, and take the feet nice and wide, toes towards the corners of the room. So depending on the resistance of your band, you may be able to go a little wider or a little less. All you want to make sure is that you feel the band working. You want your support or your bar next to you. Placing one hand on the bar and one hand on your hip. We'll lift those heels up, tap down. Nice and simple. So all we're doing is letting those legs know that the band exists. It's there, right? You're gonna feel that resistance in either way. It might be subtle, it might be deep right away. There's no right or wrong way to feel that band. It's just there. You have two more right here. Now hold those heels up nice and high. Let's take a little pulse, little pulse, little pulse. While we're pulsing, I really want you to think about your bar posture. Your tailbone is pointing down towards the floor. Your hips and shoulders are squared. They're stacked, and you're lifted out of the center of your body. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Now drop the heels. Let's take a nice deep plie down and up, down and up. So here we go. A little more resistance on the band. Make sure the knees are going over the center of the feet. Tailbone's going right underneath you, not behind you, right? We take it down and up and down. Good. 2 more here. Let's hold nice and low. Take those pulses. Little pulse, little pulse. Whew, yeah. If you don't need the bar, hands on the hips or hands out in front of you. If you want to keep working those arms, totally fine. I want you to hold this position. Knees tap, back, release, back, release. I'm gonna go side view so you can see. That plie is low, tailbone's underneath. It's outer thigh, inner thigh. Small and deep. Just using that band resistance. 4, 3 until we speed it up. 2, a little quicker with those presses. Press back, 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 back. Good. Whew. So again, if you need to be a little higher in your plie, that's fine. No worries there. Hold this position, final round. Heels come up and down. They come up, come down. Good. I need the bar for this one to keep my balance. You want to favor the ball of the foot. Keep the toes relaxed. Heels nice and high. 2 more. Hold those heels up high. 16 pulses right here. Down, down, down. Now if this position is a lot, just hold. Just hold, hold, hold for 8, 7, 6, 4. I feel some shakes there. 2 and 1. Come all the way up. Well done. Heel toe your feet in. Reach for your band and draw the band further up to just above the knee, right? Just above the knee. Bring your heels together, toes apart. We're in our first position. Heels lift, heels tap. Heels lift, heels tap. Good. So moving through those heel rises, finding the inner line of the leg, breathing into the work for 4 until we hold the very top here. Toes stay relaxed. Band is still there. It's just hanging out. Little pulses here. Little pulse. Little pulse. Kind of like just saying, hey thighs, the band's here. It's here to play. For 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Now hold this position. Draw your heels together. Sink your tailbone down towards the heels. So again, not behind you, down underneath you. Drop an inch, lift an inch. Drop an inch, lift. Drop an inch, lift. Heels squeeze together and they stay nice and high. Knees are over the center of the feet as you move. 2 more here. 16 pulses, we go. 16, 15, 14, good. So that band is giving you a little resistance. I want you to fight that resistance in both directions. For 4, 3, hold this position. Tap those knees back, back, release. Good, back, release. Again, the movement is small. The connection is deep. The shakes are real, people. Whoo, go. 4, little outer thigh, inner thigh. 2 pulses right here. We press back, 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 back. Again, the resistance, even as the ring come back in, is important. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, grand plies. We take it down to up halfway. So this is where you find your challenge zone. You move slow through those shakes and quakes. Breathe, down, 2, and up, down, 2, and hold. So find where that is for you today. It's a pulse and press, pulse and press. I'm going to the side here. It's pulse and press. Chest is lifted, core is strong. Breathe, 8, 7, 6, woo, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, holy smokes. Let's take a quick little stretch here. So taking your chest down towards the floor, working through your hips and heels. All right, yes, working through those hips and heels. And then roll up through center. I'm sure your thighs want a bit of a stretch, so let's draw your right heel to your seat, knees together, standing strong and tall. Scoop your tailbone underneath you to deepen your stretch right into that hip flexor, and then other side. We're not done. I'm still wearing the band. You should still be wearing the band. Okay, let's move into our booty work here. So I want us to face the bar this time, or your support. Feet are hip distance apart and pointing forward, so you're in your parallel position. All right, you should feel some resistance on the band. You're about an arm's distance away from your support. Soften through the knees, hinge forward at the hips, elbows are wide. Keep the shoulder blades in their socket as you extend one leg back behind you. Steady your core, find your balance here. We lift up, tap down, lift, tap, good, lift. 4, looking for a long back line of the body. Hold it right here. Go, little pulse up and up and up. Good. Again, working against the resistance of that band the whole time. For 8, 7, 6. Hold your extension, flex your foot, draw your heel to your seat, stretch long. Keep lifting out of your supporting hip. It's gonna feel a lot of work here. So core is lifted. 2, hold your heel to your seat. Now drive the heel straight up and up and up. Good. Keep those shoulders relaxed. Keep the core nice and strong. So we don't want to fall out of our posture here. We want to find it, fight for it, point your toe. You bring the knee in and press. In and press. Again, we're working against the resistance of the band the whole time. 4, 4, and press. 3, and press. Back to pulses. Here we go. Pulse. Press. So your lower abdominal muscles, the lower half of your abdominal wall is working really hard to protect the low back. 8, 7, you're pushing right to the edge, squeezing through your seat muscle. Hold this position, final round. Outer thigh goes out and in. So I'm gonna show you from the side. It's out and in, out and in. You got it. 4, that supporting leg is shaking. 2, hold the outer thigh, little presses straight up and up. Our sound guys hate us because I always yell when the shakes and quakes come in. 8 more here for 8, we're almost done. Whew. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come all the way up. Shake out those hips. Whew. And the heels. So I like to just swing them around. Get that lactic acid flowing. Let's go for a figure 4 stretch before we hit the other side. So just a quick release stretch here. You know what to expect. Feet back to parallel, hinge forward at the hips, your arm distance away. So your support should work as a way to steady your upper body. Extend the opposite leg back behind you. Lift out of your hips, don't sink into them, lift out. Let's lift that back leg up, tap down. It's up, tap down, good. For 4, for 3, you have 2, hold your extension, little pulses, little lifts. So it's not about the leg lifting up high, it's about the connection to the band and the connection to your seat muscles right here. You have 8, squeeze through your bum. 4, 3, flex the foot, now curl the heel to the seat, stretch long. curl, stretch. So it's a deep bend, full extension every single time. Go. Yes. 4. 3. Breathe. 2. Hold the heel in towards the seat. Drive the heel to the sky. So it's like you're pushing the roof away. Push away, push away. I want to show you from the back side, right? Your alignment is strong. Press, press. 8 more presses. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Point your toe right here. Knee comes in and stretch. In and stretch. Good. Don't swing from the back body here. You want to swing from your bum. Not even swing, sorry. You want to squeeze from your bum. Here it is. 16 pulses right here. Let's go. 16. Woo! Yes. Can you dig deep into it? Really get connected. We have one more round to go. My booty's on fire. Let's hold it right here. We take it out and in. And I want to show you this from the back, right? It's out and in. Good. So the hip stays rotated down towards the floor. The movement is coming from the outer thigh, inner thigh. I want you to hold right here. Little pulses. Pulse up and up. Don't sink into this hip. Don't do it. You want to, but don't. Let's go for 8, 6, and 4, 3, 2. You did it. Well done. Shake it out. Figure 4 stretch here, but this time let's go without the band. So we get a nice deep stretch. Really sitting back into your seat muscles. Hinge forward at the hips if that feels good on your low back. Just breathe right into this general vicinity. Other side. Man, that band. It's so tiny and light, but it does so much good damage. Good bar burn to the body. You made it through. Hey Bar Babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next bar workout. See you soon.